So in this video, we are asked to find the derivative of x cubed sine x. So we are given that y is equal to x cubed sine x. Now, if you look at the expression at the right-hand side, you will find that this is a product of two functions. So therefore, to find its derivative, we use the product rule. So for the product rule, we know that dy dx is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So at this point, let's call here u and let's call here v. So therefore, we have that u is equal to x cubed, and if we differentiate u with respect to s, we have that du over dx is equal to 3s squared. Also, we have that v is equal to sine x, and if we differentiate v with respect to x, we have that dv over dx is equal to cos x. So at this point, we have u, we have the u over the x, we have v, and we have the v over the x. Thus, by product rule, we have that this becomes u dv over the x plus v du over the x. So now let us put in a value. So u is x cubed multiplied by dv over the s is cos x plus v is sine x, and du over the s is 3x squared multiplied by 3x squared. So at this point, we have x cubed here and we have x squared here, so we can factor out. So therefore, we have that dy over dx is equal to x squared, open a bracket, 3 sine x plus x multiplied by cos x. So at this point, we have been able to obtain the derivative of x cubed sine x. Thank you so much, and we appreciate you for watching our videos. If you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It means a lot to us. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.